Who will stand at the closing door? Father Earth asked all the people. Who will guide the dying into the next world? Because we walk from place to place, between women and men, between night and day, between earth and sky, between every nation. Because of that, we stand by the starry door. Always have, always will. By cots, on floors, leaning over hospital beds. Since the beginning of time, we have midwived the dying. You hold me in your arms, rocking me, singing. You tuck my bright yellow blanket close around me. Lay your head on the pillow beside me and you whisper. You tell me the stories of our people. Eagles guard the windows. Deer stand by the door. A golden bear lies dreaming underneath my bed, while back and forth, forth and back you go. Back and forth between the worlds, forth and back you walk, rocking me, holding me in your strong and tender arms. The room is filled with light now. Everything is illuminated. Bed, chairs, walls, floor, me, you, the air itself, all glowing. Light pouring in through a door that only you and I can see. As you hold my hand, as you lean to kiss my forehead, as everything grows silent, as ancestors gather to meet me on the far side of that door, as everything bursts into song. Yikadal v'yikadal shemei rabba, v'yalma yivrachu te v'yamlich malchute, b'chayachon u'v'yom echon u'b'chayei kol beit Yisrael, b'agala u'izman karim v'imru, amen. Yehei shemei rabba mevarach v'yolam u'lamei almaya, יתברך וישתבח ויתפאר ויתרומם ויתנשא ויתהדר ויתהלל ויתהלל שמי קודשה בריחו לעילה מן כל ברכתה ושירתה תושבחתה ונחמתה תמירן בעלמא ואמרו אמן. יהי שלמה רבה מן שמיה וחיים עלינו ועל כל ישראל ועל כל העולם ואמרו אמן. עושה שלום במרומיו, הוא יעשה שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל ועל כל העולם ואמרו
אמן.